Take a walk through the streets of Paris and you'll notice that people look amazing. This eclectic city is a hub for creativity, art and culture, and its residents are easily some of the most fashionable individuals out there. In this video, we'll uncover the secrets that make the Parisians so stylish, and show you, step by step, how to dress like a Parisian man. The French have their very own philosophy of style. They've got various abbreviations to describe fashion, but by far the most commonly used is BCBG, which stands for Bon Chic, Bon Genre. This roughly translates as good style, good sort of person, and refers to a well-dressed individual. The Parisian man, true to BCBG fashion, blends formal and casual pieces to create a sophisticated and elegant style that doesn't look overly dressy. The first step in creating a Parisian wardrobe is to invest in a few high-quality basic items. Parisians, like most people, have their favorite go-to brands. Apart from being of a particular style, they'll keep coming back to these brands because they can trust their quality and consistency. So, when you're out shopping, look out for quality fabrics. Polyester and other synthetics are no-goes, but cotton, linen, poplin, wool and cashmere all fit the brief. However, opting for quality over quantity doesn't mean you'll be limited in the outfits you can put together. The idea is to invest in basic, yet versatile pieces that work with every other item in your wardrobe. So, even if you only have a handful of individual quality pieces, you'll be able to create dozens of unique outfits. The Parisian style is one built around timeless pieces following universally recognized principles of style: clean lines, a neutral palette, and classic staple pieces. By building a wardrobe with these basics, you're never going to be seen as unstylish or off-trend, because the pieces you'll be buying were never a trend in the first place. Check out this outfit: a pair of tapered cropped black trousers, a black cashmere turtleneck with a black shirt collar leather jacket, paired with a pair of white high-top Converse sneakers and topped off with a white beanie hat. Here you have your archetypical outfit that any Parisian would appreciate. Now, let's talk about the fit of your clothes, because this is just as important as their quality. The classic Parisian style focuses on a slimmer fit. While getting every item tailored isn't necessary to achieve a Parisian look, it's important to ensure that each piece fits well and isn't overly tight or baggy. It's a small detail, but getting the fit of your clothes right is what will give you a sharp, elegant look. In a city as big as Paris, however, there is no one-size-fits-all approach. Parisians love to mix things up, putting an eclectic twist on the classic French look by combining classic pieces with more modern cuts. A great example would be wide-legged cropped trousers and a peacoat paired with a classic fitted sweater and a pair of lace-up boots. There's also space for some on-trend items and vibrant colors in your Parisian wardrobe. Parisians have a strong sense of identity, and this leads to an individual approach to the way they dress. So be bold and express yourself. The color palette you're looking for should be timeless and sophisticated, consisting mainly of neutral tones such as white, cream, navy, gray, beige, burgundy, and, in particular, black. A simple black tee or overcoat gives off a level of sophistication that other colors simply can't achieve. Black pieces are incredibly versatile. They are chic and elegant, are fit for any occasion, and are a great base for any outfit. You will often see a Parisian wearing black from head to toe, too. Grabbing some staple pieces in line with these principles is a great way to build the base of a Parisian wardrobe, which you can supplement with accessories and layering items. For your tops, keep it basic, with a few cotton tees in black, white, or a Breton stripe. Add a few shirts in navy, black, and white linen or cotton for variety, and pick up a few cashmere knits, both turtleneck and crewneck in basic colors. As for your trousers, start things off with a pair of high-quality, straight-cut denim jeans, and a pair of chinos in black or beige. You can also add a pair of pleated wool trousers, and you've got your wardrobe foundation to build on. Layering is a key principle in Parisian style. Layering pieces add depth, texture, and personality to your outfits. Some great basic layering items include linen shirts, cashmere sweaters and cardigans, turtlenecks, bombers, and denim jackets. The Parisians are also big fans of leather jackets, particularly bomber and shirt collar styles. These can be dressed up with a pair of wool trousers or worn more casually with a pair of blue denim jeans and Chuck Taylors. A wool overcoat is another awesome layering piece that will complete any outfit and keep you warm in the winter months. When you layer your outfits, remember that each layer should be exposed as you add the next. It's also important to stick to neutral tones when you're layering. Shoes, like the rest of Parisian style, can be super varied depending on the outfit you're wearing and your lifestyle. Parisians generally walk a lot, and this is reflected in their shoe choice. A pair of stylish sneakers are a must, so grab some Converse Chuck Taylors, some leather sneakers, or basic canvas shoes in black or white. Alternatively, you could go for a pair of lace-up boots. Suede chukka boots or Chelsea boots are both great options. For summer, a pair of leather loafers or boat shoes are a great option. To elevate your look, a pair of brogues, Oxfords, or monk strap shoes are perfect. Whether in black or brown, these shoes will level up the formality of your outfit, but still fit that effortless vibe. Pairing your outfit with a good accessory is a key step in dressing like a Parisian man. Accessories are where you get to experiment, add a little bit of personality to your outfits, and can really take your aesthetic to another level. A quintessential accessory in Paris is a high-quality leather bag. Not only are they practical, but they add a level of sophistication to your outfit and fit virtually any look, from a casual shirt and jeans to a formal suit. Scarves are a huge element of Parisian style. Of course, they're perfect for keeping you warm during the colder months, but that's not the only reason they're popular. Parisians know how to style a scarf, adding a touch of elegance to their outfits all year round. Go for silk, cashmere, or wool, and don't be afraid to opt for a pop of color. Also, learn a few different ways to tie your scarf. It's the small details that make all the difference. A classic pair of sunglasses are a must. They can easily become the statement piece of your outfit and add a bit of flair to otherwise basic looks. Look for aviators, wayfarers, or personal pilot frame styles for an instant upgrade. Another essential accessory is a high-quality watch, which will take any Parisian outfit from good to great. Opt for a sleek, simple design with a leather strap, or go crazy with the ever-popular Casio G-Shock. The Baby G with transparent strap instantly modernizes any look and will give you a bit of extra flair. For hats, a simple beanie will take you a long way. Both sleek and classic beanies are available in a wide range of colors and won't break the bank. So grab a few you like and you're good to go. So, that's exactly how you can dress like a Parisian man. Follow these principles, slowly start building up your wardrobe with high-quality pieces, and you'll be able to blend into the streets of Paris in no time. Until next time, stay stylish.